In trading, sometimes the market price moves quickly without filling some orders. Now, because this quick move in the market happens in a short time, it creates a void or gap in the market. These gaps in the market represent unfilled orders. The fair value gap occurs when the price moves from a specific level with limited trading activity, resulting in one directional price movement. How to identify an FVG? To identify a fair value gap in the market, you have to do the following. Number 1, look out for a huge candle in the market, as you are more likely to see a fair value gap around it. Number 2, if the next candle does not overlap with the wick of the previous candle, that space between the wicks of the first and third candle is the fair value gap. Now, it is only fair to say that price needs to return to these gaps and fill out most of the unfilled orders it created due to its quick movement. Hence the name fair value gap. Stay informed, stay disciplined, and happy trading.